In this video, we'll explain what a non-conformity tag is, why it's used in quality management, and how to prepare one step by step. A non-conformity tag, often called a red tag, is a visual identification tool used to clearly mark parts or materials that do not meet quality requirements. Its purpose is simple: to prevent unintended use, enable traceability, and ensure non-conforming parts are properly controlled until disposition. Step 1. Describe the affected part. First, clearly describe the affected part or parts. Record key information with examples such as NC reference, NC 123. Quantity affected 100 units, part number 4XYYZZZZ, part revision AB, part description hex screw. This ensures full traceability and avoids confusion. Step 2. Describe the reason. Next, record the reason why the part was rejected and separated. For example, screw threads are damaged. Thread gauge and counterpart tests did not pass. The affected parts are not usable and will be returned to the supplier for investigation. This explains what went wrong and why action was taken. Step 3. Authorize. Now, authorize the tag. Record the responsible person's name, optional contact details, the issue date. This shows accountability and ownership of the non-conformity. Step 4. Attach. Attach the non-conformity tag directly to the affected part or container. The tag must be clearly visible so there's no risk of accidental use. Step 5. Lock. Finally, move, separate, and lock the non-conforming parts in the quarantine zone. This physically prevents their use until a final decision is made, such as rework, return, or scrap. Why is the non-conformity tag so important? Prevents mixing good and bad parts, improves traceability and control, supports audits and investigations, reduces the risk of customer impact, strengthens overall quality discipline. A simple tag, with a powerful impact. Thanks for watching. If this helped you better understand quality tools, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quality management insights.